What's up everybody, Chase Haynes here with another video on Python. Today we're going to be talking about Python strings and how they work. With that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so first you're going to go to your GitHub. I already have the repository set up. Load this up. Here we go, Python variables. Here we go. We have all been set up. We're going to make a new file now. We're going to call this strings.py. So now we're going to talk about strings. So a string is a line of text. It's not too complicated, right? At first it's a little confusing, but we're going to break it down. It's going to be pretty simple. So let's do this. Let's set a variable. Let's do a is equal to, and we're going to make a string, right? So it's a line of text. So we can do double quotes or single quotes. I always do double quotes, me personally. And with this, we can say, I like to code. We'll line down, we'll print. We're going to print A. And there we go. I like to code. Let's go down actually. And now we're going to talk about how we can combine these lines of code. So we're going to actually change our variables up just so it's a little more organized. We're going to set our variable A to hello. My name is Chase. You can put your name in if you want. You can put and then for your variable B, you put I like to code. So what we're going to do is we're going to print A plus B. We're going to run that. Hello, my name is Chase and I like to code. We can take it a step further and we can set a variable that encompasses both of those variables. C is equal to A plus B, and we are going to print C, and there we are. Hello, my name is Chase and I like to code. Something else we can do is we can actually find a character within your set text. So let's say we can actually do this. Let's do print, and we are going to pull from our A variable, right? So our A variable is just hello, my name is Chase. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull A bracket. And then from here, we can choose where we want to go. So remember, it starts from 0. So 0 is H, 1 is E, and so on and so forth, right? So let's set it at 3, for example, right? We're going to print that out. And there we are. We have our L. I changed it to a 2, right? It would just go 1 back. The other L, I brought it to 1. It would be the E, right? And all the way back to 0 within this set text. And so the next thing we can do for this, we can actually loop through our string. So how to do this is we're going to create a for loop for X in, and we can do any string we want. So let's say truck, for X in truck, semicolon, we're going to then print X. And once we print that out, there it goes. Let's comment this out so it's not confusing. And there we go. TRUCK. On top of that, we can also do our length. So let's do print, and we're going to do length of X. Print that out. Let me clear this. And here we are. So the length of X is actually equal to 1. Another thing we can do with strings is actually find the length of our string, right? So if we want to count how many characters are in it, so we're going to say, let's comment this out And let's bring back our print C, right? So right now our print C, all of this plus all of this, right? So how many, right? If I don't want to count, I can just find out quickly. And the way to do this actually is to say print length. Make sure you get your brackets, right? And once we print that, I'm going to clear this. And there we are. There are 41 characters within the string of text. Now that we've touched on strings, I hope you have a better understanding of what strings actually are and how you can apply them in your code. With that being said, if you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a great day.